Okay, so this is the strip. You're just going to flip it over and open it up. I love this pretty pink. It is super, super cute. And you can always find the names on the back. Okay, so you're just going to tear this open it up. And this is 100% nail polish. You're going to grab your cute little nail file and your alcohol prep pad. So if you run out of these, just grab the alcohol. And then here are your strips. So remember that pedicures are not double-sided, okay? You can see right here, they are flat-edged, not like our manicures, which have another cuticle side on this side, okay? So you want to remember that. You can also use these on your fingers if you're going to do that, matching your fingers and your toes. Always recommend doing your fingers first so you can use this end and then use the extras on your toes. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to use these just on my toes. So here we go. All right, if you ever need any instructions, they're right here, but luckily you have me, right? So, all right. Oh gosh, got something on my toe, y'all. All right, this is how we're gonna do it. You can open up your nail file and just have that ready. If you have a glass one, I always love using those. Over where the biggest nail is, you're always gonna find a small little tear in the package. So you can tear it right across, okay? And then you're going to pull out the strips and you'll see them all there ready to use. All right, so we'll lay these here. What I'm gonna do is start with my smallest toe. You don't have to, you can do whatever you want, but I always like to size these up. So you wanna take this one off and kind of just lay it down on your toe, see if it's going to fit. This way, it's not gonna fit my toe completely, okay? It doesn't go side to side and cover my nail. So I'm actually gonna turn it this way and lay it down flat, okay? So all you have to do is take off the clear strip, pull off the silver tab, okay, and then there's your nail polish. So since I'm going to, y'all, I don't know what I just got on my hands. It must be my stand. I just got black stuff all over me. It's fine. All right, so you're just gonna take this and lay it down however you want to on your nail, however it fits your nail best. I'm just gonna push my cuticle back a tad. And I'm gonna lay this down on my nail. This toe is like super awkward for me. It's like such a weird little tiny baby toe. So, you know, yours might be a lot easier. All right, so just push it all down and then you just wanna crease it wherever your nail stops. So I did mine sideways, so obviously I'm not filing this one. I'm just gonna go around the edge and there you go. Push that under a little bit. Clean up the side, and it's good to go, just like that. All right, I can totally use this on my other toe, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna lay it down, pull off the next one, and this one I can actually use on my toe because I think it goes side to side, yeah. All right, so I just wanna bend this up a little bit, slide it down my toe, make sure that it's gonna fit side to side, and it does. So this one, I'll show you guys the right way. All right, so pull that off. Okay, it's okay if you touch these. If you don't want to, it's fine. Use the white backing, lay it down there and use it kind of as an anchor so that you can easily put it on. So just push it down side to side like that. You can fold it over and kind of file it where your nail is, or you can use your nail to kind of crease it. Whatever you decide is easier for you. Everyone has a different way of doing it that's easier for them. I kind of do both. I like using my nails, my thumbnail as a tool. I feel like it's super easy and I'm able to do that quickly. All right, bam, bam, just like that. I just want to make sure that the sides are all pushed down. Y'all, I totally did not use my alcohol pad. You should. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just use it now so I don't forget. All right, so you use this alcohol pad to kind of clean off any of the oils on your nails or anything that you have on there. So I've already put these on. I'm just gonna go over them and help the ends seal down. So do the same with my other foot. Just kind of clean them off, and bam, bam. Okay, there we go. Back to business, y'all. All right, grab this next one. See if it fits your toe. If it doesn't, go to the next one up. Can't remember if this one fits exactly. I feel like it leaves a little bit of gap. I'm gonna go to the next one and see, because these are the ones I normally turn sideways. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. It's fine. It's fine, Zoe. Okay, grab that. Bam, bam. Here's how you anchor it. Just lay it down like this. And then you just want to grab your toe. Remember, lay it down in front of your cuticle, okay? If you lay it on top of your cuticle, when your nail starts to grow out, it's going to lift your polish, and you just definitely don't want that. You want your polish to be looking like you walked out of the salon for a couple months, okay? So use it the right way. All right, there we go. Just lay it down, easy peasy. And then these are pedicures. So I have all this extra, and I'll actually show you how you can kind of double them up with this extra part. I'm gonna take all the sides off. All right, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pull the silver tab a little bit. Okay, and see how I just have like another piece of polish? I'm going to lay it right on top. I'm gonna use this side actually. I'm gonna lay it down so that it's not touching my cuticle, but it's over that polish. Rub side to side, front and back, okay? And then I'm with my thumbnail, so this is how you kind of get more than one toe or doubles out of one strip. I'm just gonna line my nail, and bam, just like that. You have your polish doubled, and it's a little darker when you double it, so keep that in mind. If you're wanting it that exact shade, you can always throw a top coat over it. You can put clear as day or glitter, whatever you want. I love the between the lines on my toes too, because it's super, super cute. But you can also tell the difference in the shade if I can keep my toes straight. Oh, okay, there you go. You can see it's kind of a little bit darker. So anywho, there you go, using a toenail doublies, okay? Doubles. All right, this one's gonna have a little bit extra on the side, so I'm just gonna cut off any excess. So lay that down if you want to anchor it. Lay it down in front. Oh my gosh, y'all hear the puppy? Well, I mean, she's sort of a puppy, but you know, whatever, it's fine. All right, lay it down in front of your cuticle if I can ever get it in front. Okay, there we go. And then push it side to side, okay? So I'm going to rub it down, make sure it's really flat. Sorry, y'all. Silly puppy. She barks at everything, literally everything. All right, just like that, it's off and ready to go. So I pull off the side just by slightly making a little crease, and bam, bam, bam. I really do like doubling them, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing that right here. And then it just gives you another opportunity to kind of see how I'm edging around my nails. Okay, you can see where I just kind of make the shape of however my toenail goes. That way it is laying on top of each other. So it's super quick and easy. Your husband can do this. Seriously, your husband can do this. Your daughters can do it. It's super, super fun. If you want them to help you out or whatever it is, just do it. Do it together. Make it a family thing. All right, let's do the big toe. So I just lay this down right in front, the cuticle. Remember, if you don't lay it down all the way, you can kind of pick it up. So just kind of set it where you want it. Make sure it's where you want it before you're pushing it all over the place, right? You don't want to rip the strip or make it kind of, what do they call it? Like bumps and ridges and stuff. Oh, y'all, the dog is ringing the bell. That means she needs to go outside. It probably means she just wants to bark at someone, but it's fine. All right, there we go. So just kind of make a little area here underneath the nail. So I'm kind of pushing, you can see, underneath the nail, okay? Where my nail is being covered. So it's just making a little crease, and I'm just lightly pulling it once I have it all creased out, okay? So I'm gonna put the edges right on the side. There we go. See how easy it just comes off? Isn't that crazy? All right, so bam, bam, you got your toes done, and you got to do your other side. But other than that, it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Look, dry, smudge proof. I can do whatever. I can walk outside. Just wait a few minutes before you put shoes on, because I did mess one up when I was going to a wedding and like in a super rush. But I literally, like, I did this and put my shoes on. So I did just like wrinkle one up, and it was where my toes get wrinkled in heels. So anywho, other than that, I mean, throw some flip-flops on, whatever, some sandals that are not touching it if you're going to do it like right now. Otherwise, wait about 10 minutes and you're all set. That's it. I mean, don't put any lotions on for 10 minutes. So no hard as hooves, no foot lotion, anything like that until 15 minutes after, so that no oils get underneath the polish. Okay, it's 95% dry, so right now it's just curing to your toes. So I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.